Listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
Please help me.
Sure, I can help.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Where is your bathroom?
It's over there.
How much is this?
It's $10.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
I don't understand.
I will explain it again.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, I will say it again.
I need some help.
I can help you.
Where are you from?
I am from Japan, Tokyo.
I'm lost.
I can guide you.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I will speak slowly.
I am learning English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
How do I get to the station?
Go straight and turn left.
I'm just looking.
Okay, take your time.
Can you show me?
Yes, I will show you.
What is your phone number?
My phone, no 84536925570.
My email rose404@emails.com.
What is the weather like?
I like sunny weather.
I am hungry.
Let's get some food.
I am thirsty.
I will get you some water.
I am dried.
You should rest.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have one pen.
Are you student?
No, I work at a restaurant.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, I will help you.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, I have.
Can you give me direction?
Yes, follow me.
Yes, I like this.
I like it too.
I don't like this.
That's okay.
This is my friend.
Nice to meet you.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread. It's good.
Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I watch show about nature. They are interesting.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I like warm weather, not too hot.
I'm busy.
I understand.
I have a problem.
What problem do you have?
How can I help you?
I need some information.
Can you wait a moment?
Yes, I will wait.
It's a nice day.
Yes, it is.
I'm going to home.
Have a safe trip.
See you later.
See you soon.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I borrow this?
Yes, you can borrow it.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning.
Do you need help?
Yes, I could use some help.
Can you call me?
Yes, I will call you.
I am late.
That's okay.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
I am ready.
Great, let's start.
Where is the nearest bank?
It's down the street.
What's your favorite day of week?
I like Saturdays not work, just relax.
I hope you feel better.
Thank you, I hope so too.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love cake, it's sweet and yummy.
Do you like to go shopping? Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, shopping is nice, I find new things.
I am on vacation.
That sounds fun.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
What's your favorite things to do on a rainy day?
I like to watch movie. It's cozy.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you like to do?
I like to movie.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
What's your favorite things about your home?
I love my bedroom, it's comfortable and mine.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red and green.
Do you have pet?
Yes, I have a tiger.
Can you write it down?
Yes, I will write it for you.
Can you give me a discount?
Let me check.
How far is it?
It's about 15 minutes away.
Can I play with a credit card?
Yes, you can.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Do you have change?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a favorite flowers?
Yes, I like roses, they are beautiful and small, nice.
What do you think?
I think it's great.
Do you have a favorite holiday tradition?
Yes, I like decorating the house, it feels festive.
What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sports cricket and football.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What's something you are looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to a concert. I love natural music.
What's your favorite singer?
I like Arijit Singh.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading newspaper.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book's English.
What's your favorite bike?
My favorite bike scooty.
What's your dream job?
I want to a pilot.
What did it for breakfast?
I eggs and toast.
See you later.
See you later, bye bye.